declare one of the 3 outstanding games omo ewo season nim na Eugene Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I think say after 4 away games omo kra some rich achievement be me pese me outline na me the coach Karim Zito Abaso. Eugene, I think say the Ghana Premier League onji Ghana Premier League as a coach that even though our rich CVs, our great moment under 17 together with Dreams FC, but we are yet to win the Ghana Premier League. Eugene, the beer coach Abdel Karim Zito Namno, we have to be very careful, especially that resilient when you away game this season. Meno say Kumasi Asante Kotoko remains the only team young foul ball and to whilst playing at away, and the only team yen defeat yen said defeat it cuts across both home and away. But as at now, together with House of Folk, Kotoko Air shared that feat as 2 clubs yet to be defeated away games.
Away, okay.
As I stated. Eugene, there's another point in Swa Kotoko supporters will jubilate over this first or opening 4 away games at Kotoko Abo. So you compare Kotoko games awabo the opening games in more region. So compare the results this season after 4 away games. Now those clubs results your comparison you could see say Kotoko is doing better at away. Last season Kotoko lose to Bekum Chelsea. This season Kotoko we need to Bekum Chelsea Golden City Park. Last season Kotoko Elusui Dr. Chase Sports Stadium. Kanketesi ano ene face out Chawati. This season Dr. Chase Sports Complex Kotoko EPK a point. Last season Kotoko against us away 0-0. This season Kotoko against us away 1-0. Last season Kotoko against Vision FC Tema Kotoko lose by 3-1. This season Kotoko applique a point and Kotoko return with a point. So I think say comparatively so what the clubs now Kotoko abo in the opening 4 games away as compared to those clubs and the results in PM the previous season, you could confirm say as a Kotoko fan you can have confidence in the team, you can have confidence in the playing body. Eugene, Asante Kotoko any Vision FC we the first time game no ended in a 0-0 draw between those 2 clubs. On set medical can say and Rameka say omu games no goes if flupa because Osha omo head to head meetings last season Kotoko winning 4-1 Kotoko fee and the Visions winning 3-1. So in their history this is the first time Kotoko ended in a 0-0 draw, and we Kotoko so second draw season nim Kaise Kotoko the first draw against Nations FC. Eugene, Kotoko the 5th club and also the 5th team what me agwagonya a 0-0 draw Visions for fee. Kotoko the 5th club after Bekum Chelsea, after Aduana Stars, after Nations FC, after Samates. Kotoko comes next as the 5th club to record a 0-0 draw Visions FC fulfill. So I think that Kotoko ni and a routine show no this time round. Based on these stats media today, you could see say at away say Kotoko to also say Eugene yenye season no, and I said the season and getting closer no, you could see say Kotoko will have the hands over the Ghana Premier League as champions and as a contenders, because it is a notion they say Eugene the Ghana Premier League it is won when you are able to amass most points in addition to vital points away, and these 4 games are Kotoko, I believe that ideally the points accumulated 4 goals, 4 games, when you're 8 points, you could see say Ujinaye and the second best performing away club after House of Folks. So I think that as a Kotoko fan, so Kotoko bet was to say away. Now obesa to me conclude fear with amassing maximum 3 points in majority of the games. I think season getting closer now, Kotoko fans will be able to rejoice and also will be able to have themselves laughing as the winners of the Ghana Premier League. And the answer Zito say no, as all keeping away form in a good shape no, or maintaining a home, so the Bayer Kotoko will have an edge over the Ghana Premier League. Eugene, I think Mensing Gold Omofre CEO no money in Kakra, because Eugene, some decisions be taken in recent times out of order. Decisions are Bibiani Gold Star CEO Kosia do taken in recent times, Eugene, out of order. Ebesinde Bibiani Gold Stars ain't me confirming a coach na oye adwuma. They themselves officially almost say take care and I say take over till say be confirming a coach. It way
and to say someone is working.
Eugene, if someone is working, I think say they should be able to confirm him. Normal man of contract so that the team will have a direction. It's a said that decision say Yampamo the previous coach, they didn't have a succession plan before they sacked him. And to the player in question, and Huaba Sema Nico update Eugene Yenim say oko the transfer market for players say players minya stints with competitions being players minya stints with national teams. A properly player no Emma onya a higher price and as a good price over the transfer market. In all cases, the player in question, Jumadi no go di Nanka Bibiani Gold Stars management, Bibiani Gold Stars team, time or report to that there should have been a guard of honor for him. Eugene, a player that has joined the university side, a monumental trophy in the history of the university games. There is no Ghanaian university and what me achieve sa trophy no. That makes it monumental. Say the player in question will have a proper offer. Bibiani Gold Stars say because he is a trophy winner. He was part of the trophy winning team last season. Say so the way we can obenya a very good price our transfer market. Now so in the books of Kwesieduno or say it is not right for their player to have joined the competition. I think Mensing Gold and Pennyfo omoye the owners of the Bibiani Gold Stars. Omama di Kwesiedu adwuma oye. Ye be sere omomfre no. Na omo ne ntena se. Na omo question the decisions ni bi. Na ahwe here at the long run it will go against the team. And football so decisions are taken in no. You don't know when ubenya ni effect enti ebe sere omo ne ntena se. No when the decision making said the well-being of the Bibiani Gold Stars. So I think that player point offers to treat any decisions we are taking in recent times, Eugene, it is not in the right direction. Into Mensing Gold authorities or more frequency do no money in tenacity said the decisions it will be subject to scrutiny, Eugene. And Swado All Blacks supporters I think they have to start it right, because Ghana Premier League no Eugene say oye a newbie and I say oye obi a wakɔ nkyɛn akyɛn na afi na oba in the first round Eugene you are supposed to amass some respectable points. Because only that experience to say the other clubs are on my board season nache. Eti Swedro All Blacks or the 15th over 7 points. The next club are Dana say Bechem United on also 6 points. Eugene on any day Sebastian Bechem United and the Swedro All Blacks pray for the survival. I think Bechem Ebenya that superior edge. So the supporters are starting right. They have to make sure say the coach will set up, and when he is setting up, it starts from Hasufuk. And that was
very difficult. It was a pressure on the coach. As a